The government of India reported this Thursday the death of at least 59 people from acute encephalitis syndrome, or AES, over a month, amid a new outbreak of the Chandipura virus, known as CHPV, which is associated with the neurological infection. From June 2024 to the 1st of August, 148 cases of encephalitis were reported, 140 of them in the western state of Gujarat, of which 59 died, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare reported in a statement. The Rajkot Civil Hospital in the Gujarat region revealed yesterday to the Indian Express newspaper that so far 20 children are patients with suspected CHPV, 7 of whom have died. Children under 15 years of age are the most vulnerable. In fact, since 2003, several fatal outbreaks of pediatric encephalitis associated with CHPV have been documented. In the 2003 outbreak in Andhra Pradesh, a state in southern India, the virus was identified and claimed 183 lives, mostly children under 12 years old. In 2005, an outbreak in the state of Gujarat, India, caused 26 cases and a high mortality rate of 78%. Chandipura virus is an emerging tropical pathogen. There is currently no standardized mode of treatment or antivirals against CHPV infection, due to little information on its interaction with the host. The main clinical symptoms of infection include fever, sensory disturbance, seizures, neurological deficit, meningeal irritation, diarrhea, and vomiting. Initial symptoms are similar to those of the flu, but can progress rapidly within 24 to 48 hours to encephalitis, coma, and death. Chandipura virus, or CHPV, was discovered in 1964 and 1965 during an acute febrile outbreak in Nagpur, India, from several febrile cases that appeared in the context of a large epidemic of dengue and chikungunya. Later, in 1980, the virus was also isolated from patients with encephalopathy. This is because the virus belongs to the genus Vesiculovirus, which comprises viruses of human and veterinary importance, such as the Indiana vesicular stomatitis virus, which infects cattle, horses, and so on. Those like CHPV are transmitted by mosquitoes of the Aedes aegypti species, transmitters of dengue, Zika, among other diseases, but also by flies and ticks. Unlike mosquitoes, sandfly larval development occurs in terrestrial habitats, although humidity is one of the key factors, along with appropriate temperature and other environmental requirements. These factors define the wide geographical distribution of sandflies in vast regions of the planet, approximately between latitudes 50 degrees north and 40 degrees south. Unfortunately, current climate and environmental changes, induced by various human activities, are expected to facilitate the spread of sandflies and the pathogens transmitted by them. Among the vesiculoviruses discovered so far, CHPV is considered the most significant pathogen of public health importance, due to the high case fatality rate in humans of between 55% and 77%. To date, its presence has been recorded in the Indian subcontinent, including India, Bhutan, and Nepal, as well as in Sri Lanka and parts of Africa, such as Nigeria and Senegal. According to a statement from the Indian Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, experts point out the urgent need to conduct exhaustive epidemiological, environmental, and entomological studies of the cases registered in Gujarat. It should be noted that vector control, hygiene, and awareness are the only measures available against the disease, he said. This video was made with articles from Millenio and El Economista.